Alright, now I'm going to show you all how to generate a weekly report where you can see your scholars' grades and their accumulated Hawk points. All you got to do is, if you go to reports and data, scroll down to where it says student reports. You can go to weekly reports right here. Click on weekly reports. Alright, and then once you click here, alright, now you are able to click the term. You can choose the week that you want, so we can go last week. And then your roster, you can choose the roster you want or the grade. Let's do 7th grade. So let's say we want to get all the 7th graders, and boom, this it's automatically generating all the reports of the 7th graders. And as if you see right here, it tells you how many Hawk points they earned this semester. This is where they can also spend their money in the Hawk store. So this student right here, Emmanuel, has 12 points that he can potentially use in the store. Alright, and down here it tells you their most common positives. So we can see what qualities and the students are using. They're doing, this student right here has 18 points. So Adriana with personal best time, alertness, and hard work. So that's essentially what this is used for. So feel free to print this out. You can print these out. You can talk to students. Maybe if you have a parent conference, you can print this out and show the parent and the student. That way you can talk about what things to work on and so forth. So let me know if you have any questions.